100 to 150 feet. All right. Right. Okay, we're all set. So yeah, so what Michael just did was he walked a little bit further forward to.
Right about here.
He's right about here in his hip firing, so. All right. All right, let's check the results. Trying to get as many holes as you want in that paper.
Yeah. The thing was I was blowing around a lot, unfortunately, right. So I kept hitting heel, down and heel, or down heel.
Right.
So I was coming a little short, but I mean that was still a forward distance. That was probably max engagement distance I would do anyways.
Right.
Probably wait until they come a little bit closer.
Yep.
So.
Thanks for watching, guys.